Hello to all Stockler buyers. I'm delighted to meet you once again in the warehouse. Here we are in Germany, in the total, right next to the border with the Netherlands, not far from Maastricht. So there you have it. We are close to Belgium, close to France, about 300 kilometers from Lille. And so here we are warehouses to show you this new batch of 2 products here. We are looking at iPhones from the seller Grover. So Grover, as you have seen, is having an exceptional operation right now on the platform. It's a new seller on Stockler. It is a leading European seller of high-tech products rentals. So MacBooks, gaming computers, phones here, as we will see, drones, etc. And here we're focusing on a non-functional lot. Products that only iPhones, just smartphones from the Apple brand. There can be iPhones really, it's very, very extensive. It can start from iPhone 8, iPhone 9. There are very few. There are many iPhone 12, 13, 14, even 15 Pros, Classics, even Pros Max. That's what we're going to look at right now. In the warehouse, don't hesitate, as usual, to download the Excel file. You will actually have the details of each problem with the products. Is it an aesthetic issue with slight traces or deeper marks? Or is it more of a technical issue? Does the product not start, for example? So there you go. We have laid out a few products for you. You see all the boxes here underneath. These are only products, well, iPhones, to be more precise, non-functional. And here we've taken out a few. You see here, the boxes, they mostly have the boxes there, as you see. That's not necessarily the case for all the products. For example, if I show you some products still in the carton, we have some products that are in bubble wrap or in more neutral packaging like this or like this, for instance. And otherwise still in the majority, I'm trying to put it back properly. In the majority, they still have their box, iPhone, their original box here, or also just here. And so now I will try to show you the products a bit more closely. So you see, when you look a bit more broadly, you see that some products can be completely broken. Right here, for example, if I take this product, so I will try to tell you which model it is without making mistakes. Here we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max, blue hue, 256 gigabytes. There you go, right here in the box. This is not the case for all products, but for example, here you still have the small pin to actually eject and insert the SIM card, and then the charger type C, so for this type of iPhone. And then for example, you see it from the back, it is really in perfect condition. If we get a little closer, I try to show you. I'm not sure you can see the camera well. You can see that the cameras in any case seem intact. Here we're typically looking at a lot, and here you see if I turn it over, it's clearly a phone that must have fallen, that has taken quite a hit. A good impact right here and there. We are typically looking at products, well, a lot that could interest quite a few refurbishers for specialized, in any case, in iPhones, in telephony. If we continue, I'll try to show you still other products, right? That's why we're here and doing this live. Here you see typically it took a very hard hit at the back. It's really broken here, cracked up to here. And here you see similarly here at the top, it can be cracked. There you see I try to, by showing you, I turn it on. So that means here, this product here, I didn't tell you this is an iPhone. I will try to tell you anyway to be effective. It's an iPhone 12, 64 gigabytes. There you see, for example, here it turns on. So it has been restored to what one might call factory condition. And then here I can choose. You see that the touch screen here, no problem. But there is still some battery, a little bit of battery here, and the touch screen, there is no issue. But in any case, it is declared non-functional given the previous impact it suffered. I will just turn it off right away. There you go, shut down. Hop, you can see that the touch screen has no problem. I will try to show you other products as well. There we go, we have a still complete box. From the front, so which iPhone is this? I'll tell you right away. An iPhone 12 Pro Max, graphite 256 gigabytes. You can see that from the front, really, hop, except for dust, it's in good condition. However, on the back, there in the back, you can see the damage. It really took a very, very hard hit. At the back, it is quite cracked. So if I continue and show you the others, here we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, same at the front. I'm trying to turn it on at the same time. This one, for example, also turns on. And from the back, it seems quite, from a distance, quite fine. However, if we get closer here to the camera, you should see quite a few small cracks on the camera wings. And so there you go. Same here, it turns on. It turns on. So if I show you, I will try to show you the touch a bit. It seems that the touch screen lights up. But in this case, the touch screen works much less well. Initially, it works, but I feel like it still has some difficulties. So that's it for this batch of iPhones. Look carefully at the description. As usual, you will have different patches. Here, everything is declared as non-functional. Some turn on, some don't. Some are cracked, others are not. So it can depend on each product. Look carefully inside the description as usual. And above all, don't hesitate to call us if you have any questions. Thank you very much and see you soon on Stocklure.